Buenos dias. We are at Viñedos del Mar and we're looking at interesting investment property, 1-bedroom penthouse with roof terrace of 35 square meters. We're about 700 meters from the beach. Shops, restaurants and amenities are within walking distance. To the port it's about 20 minutes walk. To El Castillo it's about 10. Now these are bank repossession properties at the moment. The price is 110,000 euros. And for the ones who are concerned of what is going to happen in front, these are vineyards, orchards and to cultivate like vegetables. This is an area protected by the government and law, so you cannot build on it. You're not allowed to, at least. Phase 1 of Viñedos del Mar has already been sold out. This particular one, bear in mind, it's not officially on for sale. So therefore, there's still reparations ongoing in the whole building, like elevators, painting, exterior painting, some shutters, doors, switches. You've got pre-installation of air conditioning, as you can see in the front, at the top, sorry. Bathroom with a bathtub. The size of the bedroom is quite alright, I have to say. Lounge living area. The shutters is going to be fixed in short period of time. Now the downstairs terrace is about 15 square meters. And you still have views. Shame that we didn't get the sun. We'll get it later on today. But this is totally south orientated. And therefore, sun all day, basically. Kitchen will be furnished. Nice sized living area. I will and can send floor plans to those who would be interested in this unit. Kitchen can be opened up to the living room. You would have to do a hatch in this end. So it's 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom and a guest toilet. Garage is included in the price of 110,000 euros. Very interesting. This is the end unit. Excellent for rental, low cost, community costs, and you're just a few minutes away from the beach and amenities, as I said. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video.